Good morning, children. Welcome to class UKG. Students, today we will teach in class for making words of double E and double O. Let's start and learn to pronounce. Topic: Sound of words with double E and double O. Sound of words from double E. B double E bee, F double E T fit, K and double E knee, T R double E tree, T H R double E three, W H double E L will. Sound of word with double O. L double O K look, C double O K cook, T double O K took, B double O K book, G double O D good, W double O D wood. बच्चों, आज हम साउंड ऑफ वर्ड्स पढ़ें। चलो इसे एक बार फिर से हम दोहराते हैं। साउंड ऑफ वर्ड्स विथ डबल ई। बी, फिट, नी, ट्री, थ्री, विल। साउंड ऑफ वर्ड्स विथ डबल ओ। लुक, कुक, टुक, बुक, गुड, वुड। Students, today I have set your homework in link 2. So please open the link and try to do. Thank you.